Are you a secret millionaire?
I wish I was.
Cheers! Right, so if you're ever in London and you need a bit of extra cash, so I found out that London beggars make about 100 to 150 pound a day. Let's calculate. Right, so that's 150 times 7 days. Actually no, let's say 150 times 5 days. Let's say they take the weekend off. 750. That times 4.3 weeks in a month. 3225 times 12 months. That's 38 grand. Actually no. 3225 times 11 months. Let's say they take a holiday. 35 grand. I'll put it off in it. Look at me. I'm scaring myself. Cheese. Spare some change, guys. So we'll have a good Christmas this year. Turkey, jollof rice. Right, so I'm gonna take a break. Are you a secret millionaire? Are you a secret millionaire? Right, so how's today been? Good. Good? Like, okay, say on a good day, how much do you make?
5 quid.
For how many hours? Okay, say
3 hours.
Okay, 40 quid for 3 hours. So say you stayed here for about like the whole day, or like morning to evening.
Someone gave me £8.
80 pounds. So someone just walks up, gives you 80 pounds.
Yeah.
Raw. And then you just left. I would have stayed. I
went to McDonald's,
I went to McDonald's.
I was starving.
Right there. How's it going? Yeah? So how's today been?
Alright actually, alright, yeah.
Cold? Do you get a lot of money as well? No? Okay, say in a day.
30, 40 pounds from it.
30, 40 pounds.
Depends on it, Christmas coming now, so you never know, do you?
How many hours for like 30, 40 pounds?
Depends, you can work an hour, could work 10 minutes, you know what I mean? Depends.
Oh, it just depends on the day.
Depends, yeah. You sit there all day and only make a fiver.
Oh yeah. So say on a really, really good day. Really, really good. Say Christmas, everything.
I got a £5 drop like 6 months ago. I got a £5 drop. And the public and that sponsor it all, you know what I mean?
Wait, £5 job?
Yeah, someone give me a £5 or £6.
£5,000?
Yeah.
Shit on it.
Sponsor it.
That was a really good day, that.
Still idea. You know what I mean? Stupid. We'll see what happens till Christmas. After Christmas, when nothing happens, that's
Oh, okay. Because people tell me, normally, they make about 100 to 150 pounds.
Depends, it all depends, doesn't it? Like, all depends.
Oh, okay.
You spot beggars, you got people who sit down.
Oh yeah, people fight for spots as well. Is this a good spot? Right, so you thought life on the street would be better.
Well, nearly been murdered twice.
So say on a good day, how much can you make on a good day?
I used to make hundreds of pounds.
Hundreds of pounds?
Yeah, only because someone would sleep with me.
Evening, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm alright. How's it going today?
It's been good. It's been a good day, but
You cold?
Yeah, very,
Yeah.
very cool.
So would you say this is a good spot rather than down there?
Well, you're undercover.
You're undercover.
You've got a bit of cover. So
Yeah.
at least it's better than sitting across the road.
Oh.
Because you've got a bit of cover here anyway.
Yeah. So, because people down there, they make a lot, don't they? Close to the station.
Yeah,
It's a lot of traffic.
Yeah.
Here we go. This is it. I haven't made that much, but I think it's because of the camera, because I had it right in front of me, filming the whole time. Even though it was hidden a little bit, but people could still see it. And then when they see it, they give you that look, that guilty look. They're like, what are you up to? Right. So about £68 plus this. I'm not gonna count this. Let's say £1.50. So £69.50, and then £1.35. How much? £1.23. So let's say about £70. £70. That's alright. There was a guy who told me someone walked up to him, gave him £5 grand, just like that. Other people, they stay there for about 2-3 hours, they make about £40. 2-3 hours, £40, times that by like 8 hours. Normal day shift. But most of these people, it's their lifestyle. It's like a vicious loop, and then they're stuck in it. And most of them, you're probably wondering, what are they doing with all this money? Day after day after day after, surely they must be secret millionaires. It's because they're stuck in that vicious loop with like alcohol and drugs. Some of them are smart. They don't want you to know. Some of them won't let me record them. Those are the secret millionaires. I haven't offered them £10. Like, no, don't record me. I don't want people to see. They're probably rich up north. They got a nice mansion up north. But they don't want people to see their face. Some of them are secret millionaires. The remaining, by the time they buy drugs, they buy alcohol, they pay for their hostel, they buy food. The money's pretty much gone. Drugs and alcohol pretty much takes up all the money. But they don't do it on purpose, I guess. They're stuck in that cycle. But if you're smart with it, voila. If people didn't see the camera, they would have given me loads more. Alright, anyways, I'm going home. I'm gonna give this away, by the way. I feel guilty like taking people's money. I don't want people to go out and do this stuff. I don't want Sonic card in my case. I'm not telling you to do this. I'm just showing you. You get me?
But if I ask for money, it's against the law.
Oh yeah. Oh, is it?
Yes, that's begging. You're not allowed to beg.
Oh.
No.
Oh, okay.